currently trying to figure out how to go on light mode. There it is. All right, there we go. So, yeah, like I was saying, I'm currently trading on Margex today, and if you guys haven't used this platform, I suggest using it. They have a lot of cool features you can use, like the convert feature with 0 fees, literally no fees. They have fast withdrawals. They have copy trading. I don't really typically use copy trading, but if you guys use it, that works too. I know a little bit about it. You can basically, there are the top ranked traders, and then based off their rankings and their strategy and their return on their, you can basically follow them for the trades if depending on what they trade, like Tether, if they trade Bitcoin, blah blah, their balances with that. Yeah, I mainly use it to trade. Um, but if you're looking to, like I said, if you're looking to find this a reliable platform that you can convert, withdraw, transfer, and use BTC, then this one is probably the one for you. All right, so yeah, we were just messing around with that. So there's not much in here. I literally just threw like 20 bucks in just to see how it was going. And yeah, I'm just slowly looking at it. I'm gonna try to do a challenge, and then I'm literally gonna take this and turn it into like $200. And I've done it before. It's pretty easy, and the only reason it's easy actually is because of the risk management methodology that I'm using. But yeah, guys, I was just making a little quick video. If you guys want to stay and watch, that's fine. If you don't, it's cool too. So right now on the 1 minute, obviously this is in the high time frame. We look, and Bitcoin right now, as we're speaking, just broke a piece of structure. So this was the previous price range, the previous high that we broke, which was 62,000, and the new high, no, it was 62,262, and the new high is 419. So it went up $200. My goal was to get to 63,000, but yeah, which is right there. And I'm not gonna do that because I'm not too sure of the volume, so I have to see about that. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this, and if you want to trade, the link is in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. I run a Discord and stuff. You don't have to pay me anything. It's just a chat. But yeah, guys, I hope this was any use to you, and peace.